Armed Forces of the Philippines magsasagawa ng sariling investigasyon kaugnay na nabunyag na illegal arms deal sa militar. Si Noel Perfecto ang ating tagapagbalita.
Gawa ng sariling investigasyon ng Armed Forces of the Philippines kaugnay ng napalathalang arms deal controversy dahilan ng pag-aresto sa isang mambabatas ng Estados Unidos nang tumanggap ito ng mahigit 40,000 American dollars na nations mula sa isang undercover Federal Bureau of Investigation agent na nagpanggap na isang miyembro ng sindikato ng malaking international arms deal cartel. Ayon kay Major General Domingo Tutaan, spokesperson ng Armed Forces of the Philippines, ito'y matapos na aminin ng senador na meron silang contact sa Philippine Armed Forces na isang kapitan ng militar na pinagkukunan ng high-powered firearms para maibenta at maidiskarga naman ito sa mga armed groups sa Mindanao.
He made those statements after he was arrested, after he was found to have paid or accepted money of about several thousands of dollars. And after, so makita natin na nag-mention siya sparingly that a military captain is involved. And so we're looking into that. This is not a simple issue, but we have to look into it. Titingnan natin yan. The Chief of Staff has made mention that we will look into this, but we have to get additional details on the matter.
Ayon kay General Tutaan, hindi nila palalagpasin ng balita at posibleng totoong pangyayari kung kaya't mahalagang maimbestigahan ang lahat ng masasangkot ng mga opisyales sa mga armory ng Philippine National Police at ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. Tanggap rin niya ang panukala na magsagawa ng parallel investigation ang National Bureau of Investigation sa nasabing insidente.
If we will cooperate naman in whatever investigation being undertaken dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, if the NBI will ask us to do something or to ask on matters relative to this, then we will be willing much to look into this, to get into the bottom of it. Kasi any Tom, Dick, and Harry can sparingly say a military captain, but we're not closing the door on that. What we are saying is that we will conduct the necessary investigation when the details of such are more clearer on the matter. Hindi lang yung one sparing statement saying na a military captain is involved, that there is a way to give arms to rebel factions and things like that.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, ako naman si Noel Perfect.